Hey guys, so I just filmed a makeup look with these eyes, purple and like silvery kind of cat eye. I haven't done a liner in so long, but like, you know, colors are not my thing anyway, but I wanted to film something different and fun. But yeah, that's my setup right there. The couch is gone. And this is my table with all of my crap all over it. My roommate's gone. It's so sad. It's a sad day, but my friend Sophia is coming over, so we're gonna film some videos or do something fun, and I will see. But also, I'm like literally, I was taking pictures for my Poshmark. That's like all the makeup so I'm selling, so follow me on there so you can shop my closet, brand new makeup, clothes that I maybe worn like once or something. This lighting is like not great. Okay, cool. And then now I'm about to film a video with my smile for Instagram. I'm gonna whiten my teeth. I need to wear my Invisalign. I got a new Invisalign actually from Virginia, because last time I was there like a month ago or so, like they did a new mold, like they did a new, like, what do you call it, you know, when they like scan a new scan, like whatever. So guys, I'm not happy with this one. I know it's been like so long, but I wouldn't mind wearing another one. But I want my smile to be perfect, and I'm gonna whiten my teeth as well. So we're about to do this little kit, so I'm gonna sit down and do that, and I'll show you guys the results. They look kind of white on camera, but like in person we can always make an improvement.
I gotta stay up, babe. I'm trying to make a way. Make a way up and I ain't trying to make you stay. Cause the stars can make a way. I'm never too far to make you day. How can I get to you? But I'm trying to make you stay. Yeah. How can I get to you? I need you to listen to me. Baby, I live for you, so I'm already in too deep. Don't wanna be missing you, but damn it, I hope you miss me. My plane will be leaving real soon. I want you to fly it with me. How can I get to you? When you stay down. How can I get to you? When you stay down. How can I get to you?
Whitening my teeth. They are like hella white. I love it. I will post a little Instagram video for you guys because I wanted to do like a quick toot. I didn't want it to be drawn out. So, but if you want to see it, I'll link the Instagram video down below. But I can also like put the little video, I guess, insert it in here or whatever. But this thing, I was like a 4 or 5 before, and then now I'm like a 1 or 2. But I really like it. I will definitely recommend it. It's called My Smile. I will link the website for you guys down below. That's what the kit looks like. It's awesome. And it comes with like 3 different syringes. Like I already used this one, and then there's 2 more, so you get a lot. Like I only used half of that one, so you get a lot of uses. So you can keep whitening your teeth. And this is the original thing that came with them, you know. You're supposed to mold it to fit your teeth like with hot water. But since I wear Invisalign, I just used my Invisalign trays because they're already like custom fitted, you know. And then this is the little light. You can see my lipstick all over it. And it beeps every 15 minutes because 30 minutes is like how long you're supposed to have it in for. So every 15 minutes it'll remind you. So that's actually really cool because I've never seen that before. All the other ones, they don't beep. So you have to like put a timer and remember. So yeah, I think I'm about to make some tacos. I'm like so hungry. And I'm gonna sit down and edit, do some emails while I wait for Sophia to come over. So we're gonna use this under her eyes. And this is the one I used today. And this is 31.5 and 10 golden. And I love this concealer. It's like thick to cover up everything, but it still looks natural.
And I need to cover up a lot of things.
Yes, and then you can take this with you to Mexico.
That's what I'm most excited about.
Yes. Come say hi. You want to get your makeup did?
Just shoot.
Oh,
no. Someone's getting his makeup done.
Help. Yes. You're next.
Trim my beard. My beard's dirty.
Okay, you got it. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that one?
No, because your posture looks better, you know, when you're like
okay.
This.
Yeah. So, we're going to go to LACMA take pictures. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe. Follow her, K3 Chocolate. Follow me, Sophia.
I'm underscore.
How do you go?
Underscore. Tori.
I'm
going to put the links down below so you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. We're going to do a vlog too,
probably.
So come check out the vlog and come with us to LACMA. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Hey guys, so I'm on my way right now to get my little Botox touched up. So it's with Dr. Shimolean, the one that did my Kybella, and the first time I had Botox, which was back in January, and it wore off a while ago, but I just haven't been back. Like I was just like putting it off, but this is my second time ever doing it, so I'm about to just get a little touch up on them wrinkles.
So what's bugging you other than the Botox areas? Okay. It's the, okay.
So it looks okay with no makeup.
Give her the mirror.
But if I have like makeup on, the cracks, it like, you know what I mean? And then just like...
Alright, so is it this area? Or is it these thinner lines?
It's these little thin ones.
Thinner lines. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There are options to consider.
Mm-hmm.
You could use something in your age group for the nasolabial folds. There's a couple of options we have on the table that we can give it a try.
Like a filler?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It may not completely eradicate it,
okay,
but it'll make it better.
Mm-hmm.
One thing to consider is the needle may cause a little bit of bruising, especially in the mouth area.
Yeah.
Because you got to get super thin, because these are thin lines right here. Is it this that's bothering you, or is it this thin line?
Yeah, it's a thin one.
Okay. You're a little bit more prominent on the right side than on the left side than on the right side.
Yeah, this is the one that cakes of the makeup, so.
So we can give it a try if you want. Do you sleep on that side?
I sleep on every side, so.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Okay. So that I would suggest would be the only thing. We can try some stuff if you're interested. It's going to be super thin. If you put too much stuff there, you're not going to like it.
Yeah, I want it to be like
So hold on. When you smile, this area cracks, and then you relax, and then...
It's like a little bit there. But with makeup, it's just more obvious, you know.
After you smile, there's just a line delineating. We could put some filler there. If you like.
So it's not like a big deal, but I was just gonna like ask you like, what do you think?
Yeah. A little bit of filler is not a bad idea.
Okay. What's it called? Like.
There's two things that we can use. One would be refine.
Okay.
The other thing would be Volbella. Volbella is a thinner agent.
Yeah.
That works really well in people who don't have advanced. Both are excellent. Volbella is good for off-label use for that sort of concern.
So should we try it today or no? Or
It's up to you. What do you have going on?
I have a shoot after this.
Then don't do it.
So okay, cool.
What
so
sort
I'll
of
just
shoot?
do this.
You're always shooting though.
Just like pictures, like nothing. So we can do this and then
let's do the
I can
forehead.
come back.
When is the shoot?
Like after I leave here, I'm gonna do my makeup in the car.
Okay, yeah,
I'm gonna go straight there.
You'll be fine.
Like,
you'll be fine.
So yeah.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Not a problem at all.
Yeah, and I can put makeup over it. And I just see always like those Instagram models with like you can just see like their lips, their cheeks, and I'm just like I
can
want to
show
look like
you a
crazy.
picture that we have of before and after if you're interested.
Okay, yeah.
I'm not here to like convince you to do anything.
No, yeah, I want to see it. I want to see it just
Okay.
to see, but
a really nice before and after, very subtle, but you could see a nice difference that makes her look naturally rested and a little more beautiful.
Yeah, I want to see it. I'll keep it in mind, like for sure. Like I mean, I've thought about it before, but yeah.
Okay.
Not today.
Okay.
But
No.
I'll come back. Either way, you said like for the Botox after pictures, you have to come back in like a little bit of time, right?
Yeah.
So either way,
You ready to roll? Okay, I'm gonna mark the area. We'll do the exact same thing we did last time.
Yeah, it was 5.
And then we'll do the same thing. We'll go from there very mild. Alright, hair behind your ears. Raise your eyebrows for me. And you'll still be able to raise your brows. Raise your eyebrow.
Yeah, one of these.
This is mild. Same as last time. I'm not doing anything differently.
Yeah, it was perfect last time.
And I anticipate you're gonna like this again. Okay, yeah, I'm very happy with. I like using the pencil. Why? Because there's no second guessing. We know where it should go and it goes. Alright?
Perfect.
Alright.
Cool.
I'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay. I like that look. Yeah. It's like little Indian. Little dots. Yeah, because I swear, like, I always go through Instagram, like, you see those models, like, I mean, they look good, but you can just tell it's fake. Like, the cheeks, the lips, the nose, and then, like, you'll Google, like, them before.
And then you're like,
and it's, like, a totally different person. Like, they
like
completely, like, change. It's not, like, even, like, a little bit, like, oh, let me just change up a little bit, like, tweak it. It's, like, completely different person. So I'm like, I don't want to be that. I don't want people,
I don't blame
my friends to be like, oh, she moved to LA and she looks crazy. Like, you know,
I know,
like,
and I've seen it happen too, like, even, like, my friends, and I'm just,
like scared, yeah.
I'm like, it used to be so cute, like,
Yeah,
natural,
it doesn't
and now
look
it's
right.
like, I know.
Yeah, like I'm all for like doing stuff, but I just want it to look natural, you know.
Do you want more sugar in there? I gave you a little sugar
fine.
just in case.
And I'll find some pictures for you too that I want to show you.
Yeah, okay.
When you see, I do natural stuff. I don't do anything that makes you look like
crazy.
Not crazy, I would say.
Very LA. Very LA.
Exactly. Not any. I don't mind putting models, but that's not the style that I like to. Unless they want to look like that. Okay, yeah, I think where we have is actually perfect. It's gonna look great.
So 5?
Yeah,
okay.
I'm doing the same thing I did last time. No surprises, nothing different.
Let's do it.
Let me see the last picture that we had of hers. When were you last here?
January.
Because you loved it so much,
yeah,
I want to make sure we do the exact same thing we did last time. And I'll show you the picture. That's why I take these pictures.
And I had so many different people tell me, like on YouTube, it's so funny. Like I had 2 different like extreme responses. Like some people were like,
some people loved it, some hated it.
Exactly. There was nothing in between. I was like, are you kidding me? So it's like some people were like, oh my gosh, she's so fake. She moved to LA. She's doing all this shit now. The other people are like, oh my god, this is actually helpful. I've been thinking about doing this. Like, thank you for posting this. Like, whatever. Thanks for like actually talking about it. So I was like, okay.
Raise. Doing the same thing we did last time. Last time I went a little bit higher in that other line in the middle. Is that cool?
Yeah.
I'll go in the same spot as I did last time. I put it in the middle so I could get both this line and that.
Okay.
Where it is, it's fine.
Whatever you think is fine.
Where is it? Wherever it is, it's fine right now. If you need a small touch-up, come back to get a unit or 2. Don't worry about it. Just come back in a couple of weeks and we'll do that.
So how much is that? That's a unit? Or
what?
That.
This is the 5.
Okay.
We did the exact same.
How much do you call it? Is it unit or no?
This? No, this is 5 units.
Okay. Okay.
And there's 1 syringe.
Okay, got it.
Alright, ready to roll? Alright, cool. Turn your head towards me, please. You have really good skin, by the way.
Yeah. I feel like when I don't have a tan, you can see more like redness. So I like to do like a spray tan to even everything out. I feel like we don't need like makeup at all.
We're done. That's all, folks.
That was good. That was not painful.
Not bad at all?
No.
I don't think you're going to bruise. You're going to look great.
Tiny little beast.
You'll be ready to put makeup on immediately and go do what you got to do.
And then you said it was like a few days. How long does it take to like?
It takes about 7 days to kick in, 2 weeks for it to reach its full effect. Okay. And the reason why we're doing this is as a preventative measure. This is to make sure that you slow down the hands of time and buy yourself an extra 7 to 10 years of youthfulness down the line. You're very young and healthy and attractive now. My job is to make sure you stay that way.
Yeah, more attractive. Thank you.
That's all, folks.
Can we get some like high fives or something?
Yes. Okay, so I literally just sat down and did my makeup in the car and put my extensions in. I can't curl them obviously right now, but I have a shoot and I'm so late already. After my Botox though, like I did it right away. It still hasn't obviously kicked in. I still need to take like a before pic. I want to do like a before and after for you guys, but I'm literally like on the go today because I knew I was going to be Beverly Hills. I was like, let me just do 2 things at once, knock it out. I'm also trying to coordinate with my friend that's on the way here to do the shoot with me. I'm like 5 blocks away, so I need to go, but I just wanted to show you guys that like I'm like always like running around. That's why I always forget to vlog, but I'm gonna try to be better at it because I really want to bring you guys to everywhere with me. So let's go. So we're here today with microbeads. We're doing a little shoot. Oh my gosh, this little speaker is so loud, you guys. If you even know, hi. And of course you can use the discount code. I'll put it right here for you guys so you can get 10% off. And what is it, free shipping? Right?
It's free shipping for US orders.
Your lashes look good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I have wrinkles and then I don't. It's like, you know, like 2 seconds later it's like, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh yes. So guys, we were at the photo shoot and then we had this impromptu little
impromptu event.
Yes. At the Wilshire, what is it called? Beverly Wilshire.
Beverly Wilshire.
Yeah.
And I think we are in the Rose Garden. I think it's the Rose Garden. Yeah.
So pretty here. Look at all the flowers. It's really gorgeous.